What's going on, everybody? Today our friends over at Redtiger sent us this F77 model. Got all the good information there. Got an 18-month warranty. Let's dive right in, see what we got. Well, first off, got the Hardwiring Kit, tap into the fuse box. Got a little pry bar for removing trim, anything that you need there. First look, clear paper. Quick start user manual. Very nice. Got the electro stickers there for the windshield and rear window where the camera goes. I believe this is the rear camera. Main unit here looks pretty beefy. Looks like a nice big screen. Very nice, very nice. Got a couple boxes here. Power cable. Comes with a USB slot as well, which is good. Another power cable with just a USB if you want, a little smaller cable. Check out the other one here. Cable ties with sticky pads on them. Is this an extra? Looks like it's an extra one. That's nice. Extra sticky pad as well. Another pad. Nice long cable connects the two cameras together. And another pry bar in case you didn't get the Hardwiring Kit. Beautiful. Plug this bad boy in. Test it out, see what settings we got, use it for a bit, and then I'll show you the footage and what I think. Well, if you're on here, you can check out the settings, quick Wi-Fi, sound, location, all that. There's 4 buttons on the bottom, or you can use a big touchscreen. You can put an additional external memory card in if you want, or you can use a built-in hard drive. Go to videotape. Your footage there, playback. Oops. If you want to watch your clips, go to your settings, change a different resolution. It goes up to 4K, 30 or 4K, depending on what you want your back. 60, 30. Your sound you record, loop. I like to have it on 5-minute intervals. It's your shock sensor, fatigue reminder, Wi-Fi, click tone, screensaver, voice control, mirror flip. Go over, rear cam flip, parking mode, mainly if you have it hardwired in. Got your GPS, date, speed stamps, GPS stamps, speed units, language, your clock settings, your clock style. Skip these. Set your, whoa, my bad. Get your time zone, DST, flicker, format reminder. You can format the SD card, card speed, factory reset. You want to download the app, which is how you get all the footage off. Product information, so unit we're running, and help center if you need. Pretty much got everything covered. you want, you can always use the buttons. You can lock, unlock it so you're not hitting stuff by accident. But you can get the front footage, rear footage, cameras, pictures, I guess. Yeah, that's the unit. Nice big screen. Easy to slide on and off. Fairly easy to use. No issues. The couple weeks we had it in every day. to the friends over at Redtiger there for sending the F77 model, 4K ultra clear recording, built in 128 gig memory card, or you can put an external one in to whatever size you prefer. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.